God. I'm getting vertigo. I'm getting vertigo. Okay.
Mommy!
Dream that got me on.
Starzy.
Oh, white family music. I'm going back to where I belong. You're the reason why I'm singing this song. Boy, I did you no wrong, but you broke my heart.
In love.
So today we've come to the Lekki Conservation Center. So it's actually quite a lot to do. So we're going to head off on the canopy walk, and I think there's like gardens and all sorts there as well. So I love things like this. It's very beautiful. And here we've got a flower garden. So I might have a little peek in here. Wow, I've never seen one before. Wow. Yeah, that is so cool. Hi everyone! Hi! It's so nice to be out of city settings. I love the woods anyway, so this is awesome, but not gonna lie, the swampage. They're saying there's crocodiles inside. I don't believe them. They said make sure you hold on to your cameras really well. Number one, because of the swamp. Wow, which looks like I'm walking on a little river. And number two, in case one of the lovely creatures comes and grabs it. See, this is what I hate. Can you see that black thing down there? That's a nose mask. These things are just polluting the earth. Honestly. Okay, I don't know, can you guys see in the distance there? The canopy walk's about to start. I thought this was it, but we're about to go on high. Now, Kakum. Have we got competition, or is Kakum still the highest one?
What is Kakum?
Kakum is the national. It's the canopy walk. I think the highest one up in Africa or in the world. One of the highest ones in the world. So it's in Ghana. It's called Kakum.
Okay.
So I want to see if this one is higher than Kakum. Kakum is like you're in the sky. Like it feels like you're in the clouds.
Okay.
So Paolo, are you scared of heights?
No, it's okay.
Okay, let's see.
I'm enjoying it.
We'll see. I used to not be scared of heights, and then I went on Kakum.
You scared?
No, yes, it depends how high.
Okay. So
Kakum National Park.
Kakum, yes.
I was scared, and that was high. So I want to see if this is just as high.
Probably.
No, I'll try.
I think you might be scared.
Okay, let's see. Woo! I'll be strong. Yes. How high do we ascend total?
22.5 meters.
22.5 meters. Okay. That's not too bad. I can do that.
Hectares.
78 acres.
Hectares.
Hectares.
At the highest point on the canopy, you have an aerial view of the park, so you see this.
Wow.
You go above the trees. You go above the trees.
We go above the trees.
Great.
Oh.
Is it okay?
Oh, I have no choice. Did you say we can?
So when you get to the tower, you wait for the group ahead of you to get to the top.
Okay. Here we go. It's not too bad. It just feels like it's sinking. Okay. It's okay. I'm not going to freak out. Okay. Okay, I'm not gonna freak out. I'm not gonna freak out. It does not look this shaky when you're watching other people walking on it. I swear someone's shaking. Hi! Woo! Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, okay, no. Okay, I'm not gonna freak out. This is not even that high. Oh, okay. My knees are shaking. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm safe. Don't look down. Oh my gosh. I never knew I was afraid of heights till I went to Kakum. Oh, okay, there's a platform. Oh my God. I'm getting vertigo. Okay. Oh God. That is not, I don't like this at all. We're on a platform now, so this is for people like me who just need to recover. Don't like it. And look, we have, basically it's gonna ascend from here onwards. I'm gonna turn the camera off until we get to the highest point because I need to both hands to hold on now. Okay. You can do it. It's him shaking it. I knew you were shaking it. Yeah, I knew you were shaking it. He's so naughty, I tell you. Shaking and crying. No, I wasn't ready for that. Here's the view.
One, Myra!
So, you'll be able to see the Atlantic Ocean from here. So let me get you guys a better view. Okay, I don't know if you can see, but far distance, Atlantic Ocean is right there. Guys, we are above the trees. We are above the trees. No. Yeah. Hey. Feel the fear and do it anyway. On the other side of fear, or where your dreams come true. Yeah, I've got more of those motivational quotes somewhere. Anyone know any more to help me right now? The only way to it is through it. we've come down and guess who's made an appearance? They're mocking us. They said they could hear us screaming.
Screaming in different languages.
Me, please, me, I was relaxing myself. It was easy.
But you know I shouted your name.
Did you?
She didn't hear. She was screaming. Did you?
I was screaming in Ga and then
Did you record everything so we can see how calm he was?
Yes, of course.
Oh,
I'm sure
fantastic. Review the
the
tape.
viewers are cheering me on right now in agreement. So, Sam, where are we going now?
We're going to the treehouse,
Amazing.
which we found for you.
Yeah, can't wait. Eben said it's high.
Evan won't go.
Eben said he's also scared. I thought I knew my limits, but let's push the limits. Let's feel the fear and do it anyway. Come on. Oh, so how do you get up there?
You have to climb.
You have to climb.
Hey, Raddy.
By the side of the tree.
Yeah, let's go.
Something like that. Have you seen it?
Are you actually serious?
Yeah, sure. And joking. You have to climb the ladder to heaven.
Are you
Climb the
actually
ladder to heaven.
serious?
So, after all the climbing, here's your view. I don't know, how high is this?
Beautiful. What if it's? I don't think it's as high as the highest point.
No.
No, your highest point that you guys were at was over there, I believe.
About 20 meters.
Yeah.
The rest of the team are getting attacked by little monkeys down the bottom. They've actually ran away.
The monkeys or the team?
The team. Everybody's gone.
Oh, Raphael, what do you think?
I like the moment. I really don't regret to came.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
So that's, I don't know if you can catch it on camera, but that's what's left of the team after the monkeys chased them off. They thought there was biscuits in their bags, so the monkeys were all coming around them. So what was you saying about the difference here of the type of forest?
The forest is very, dense.
Dense, huh?
Voilà, I don't know the English.
No, that's perfect.
Voilà, and the place I came from, the forest is one tree, another one, and
Okay.
a lot of sand on the.
See, a country that loves itself, collecting all that plastic for nature, for people, for Nigeria. I love it that they put nature first. Thank you guys for watching. We hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget, we've got plenty more episodes coming up showing you around Nigeria with us. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe in 3, 2, 1. Welcome to the family and see you in the next one. Bye.